Part 2. Listen to a conversation and answer the question. Fill in the correct circles on your answer sheet. Let's do an example together. Number 8. Listen to a conversation between a teacher and a student. Listen for the answer to this question. What will Ryan do tomorrow? Ryan, I notice you're wearing jeans and a shirt instead of your school uniform today. Can you tell me the reason?
I'm very sorry, Mrs. Henry. My uniform got dirty yesterday, and my mother put it in the wash. It's still waiting to dry.
I see. How did your uniform get dirty in the first place?
I was walking home yesterday after school when a car drove past and splashed me with some very muddy water.
I understand, and I expect tomorrow your uniform will be clean and dry.
It will be.
What will Ryan do tomorrow? The choices are A. Walk home from school. B. Wear jeans and a shirt to school. C. Wear his school uniform to school. The answer is C. Fill in C on your answer sheet for question 8. Now you do it. Number 9. Listen to a conversation between a boy and his mother. Listen for the answer to this question. How many chores is Mike likely to have next week? Mike, if you look on the refrigerator, you'll see the list of chores that everybody has to do this week.
I saw it, Mom, and I seem to have a very busy week of chores.
Yes, you have to clean the bedrooms, the kitchen, and take out the trash.
Why doesn't Tony have to do any chores this week?
He has a big exam later this week. But don't worry, next week he will have to catch up on his chores and you can rest.
I like the sound of that.
How many chores is Mike likely to have next week? A. None. B. 3. C. 5. Number 10. Listen to a conversation between two friends. Listen for the answer to this question. When does the game start? Thanks for agreeing to come to the game tomorrow. It starts at 2 o'clock, so how about we meet outside the stadium at 1:30?
Okay, I'll bring some snacks for us to eat, and you bring something to drink, okay?
Sure, Fred. Is there anything else that we need?
Well, I did look at the weather forecast, and they say it's going to rain tomorrow. Should we still come if it rains?
Of course we should. And don't worry, I'll bring something so we won't get wet. When does the game start? A. 1:30 today. B. 2 o'clock tomorrow. C. 3 o'clock tomorrow. Number 11. Listen to a conversation between a boy and his teacher. Listen for the answer to this question. What will Scott do in art class?
Miss McGuire, I hurt my right wrist yesterday. I tripped over a skateboard and fell on the ground. I don't think I can do any painting in today's art class.
I'm sorry to hear about that, Scott. Why don't you paint something using your left hand?
Oh, I'm really poor at drawing with my left hand.
That's not a problem. It doesn't matter if it's messy as long as you try.
Thanks, Miss McGuire. I guess I should get all my paints ready then.
What will Scott do in art class? A. Paint using his left hand. B. Paint using his right hand. C. Clean up all the paint. Number 12. Listen to a conversation between a doctor and a girl. Listen for the answer to this question. What will the doctor do next?
Come in and sit down, Brenda. Are you ready to get your flu shot?
I think so, though I've never had a shot before. Will it hurt?
Not too much. It's very quick, actually. But some people choose to look away just in case.
I think that's better. Let me just look out the window, doctor.
Okay, you do that. Here we go. Just make sure you don't move your arm now, okay?
What will the doctor do next? A. Look out the window. B. Give Brenda a flu shot. C. Look away. Number 13. Listen to a conversation between a girl and her teacher. Listen for the answer to this question. What will the girl do next?
Thanks for agreeing to help, Mr. Tyler. As you can see, my school locker has a problem and I can't open it.
It looks like something is stuck inside the keyhole.
Right. The problem is that my books and my homework are all inside. I can't study without these things, and my teachers might get mad.
I understand. I'll call the maintenance man to open it for you. In the meantime, see if you can borrow a notebook and a pen from somebody.
Sure, I'll talk to my friend Edward.
What will the girl do next? A. Open the locker. B. Talk to the maintenance man. C. Talk to her friend. Number 14. Listen to a conversation between a boy and a girl. Listen for the answer to this question. What will Juliana do next?
Happy 14th birthday, Juliana. Here's your present. I'm giving it to you early because I can't come to your birthday party tomorrow.
Thank you, Stuart. You really didn't need to give me anything.
But you're my best friend, and you gave me such a wonderful bag for my birthday. There's only one thing I have to ask.
Okay, anything.
You can't open this until your birthday tomorrow, okay?
Well, I really want to open it now, but if you insist, I'll put it into my bag. Thanks again.
What will Juliana do next? A. Put the present in her bag. B. Open the present. C. Go to a birthday party. Number 15. Listen to a conversation between a boy and his teacher. Listen for the answer to this question. What will the boy do next?
Mrs. Bennett, I'm feeling really sick. I don't think I can study well this afternoon.
I'm sorry to hear that. You looked fine before lunch. What happened?
I think I ate too much food at lunchtime and then did too much exercise. I have a really bad stomach ache now.
Okay, why don't you go to the sick room and spend some time there? If you feel any better, come back.
Thanks, Mrs. Bennett. You're the best.
What will the boy do next? A. Eat some food. B. Visit the sick room. C. Do some exercise.